Guys, I have recently made this game application. I have monetized this application using unityads. If you want to learn how to make this kind of application and how to monetize this application using unityads, then you can watch my previous video. You can check link in the description. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get traffic on this game application. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You can watch this full video. But here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on Google, you can search your 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌. You can visit on this URL. You will then come to this page. Guys, 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 is a most popular website. You can upload your game to get lots of users. Here you can see this website is getting more than 57 million monthly visits. And here you can see top 5 countries. This website is getting more than 32% visits from United States. If you will publish your game on this website, then you can get lots of users from United States. Here you can see lots of people are advertising games on this platform. You do not need to worry about any kind of investments. You can advertise your game on this website in free. First of all, you will have to create account on this website. You can click on register button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your username. You can type your password. You can repeat password. You can type your email address. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on create account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on this button. Now you can click on upload new project button. You will then come to this page. You can type your game title. You can upload your game icon. You can upload your screenshots of your game. You can upload your game application. You can type your description of your game. You can type your searchable tags. Now at last you can click on this button. Let me show you how you can upload your game successfully on this website. Type your game title. Now you can scroll down. You can type your tagline. You can type this kind of tagline. You can scroll down. You can select your price. If you want to sell your game, then you can select paid option. If you want to make your game free, then you can select this option. Now you can upload your game application. It should be in APK format. You can click on upload files button. You can select your game application. Click on open button. Here you can see my game application is uploading on this website. You need to wait some time. Now if you want to change display name, then you can click here. Guys, this application is for Android users. You can select your Android icon. If your application is for Apple users, then you can select this option. You can scroll down. You can type your description. You can type this kind of game description. You can scroll down. You can select your game tags. Here you can see there are a lot of tags. You can also type your tag. Guys, if your app is on App Store, then you can connect your App Store with this website. You can scroll down. You can type your download and install instructions. You can type this kind of instructions. You can scroll down. Guys, in next step, you will have to upload your game icon. You can also add your game screenshots. You can upload your game icon. You can add your screenshots of your game. You can scroll down. At last, you can click on this button. Now you can click on edit game button. You can scroll down. You can select your public option. Anyone can view this page. You can click on save button. Now click on view page button. Here you can see game title. Here you can see game description. Here you can see screenshots of game. Here you can see instructions. Here you can see this game is published successfully on this website. Here you can see download button. User can click here to download this application in APK format. Guys, using this method, you can upload your game successfully on this website. Guys, you can also upload your game application on Game Jolt platform. This is the most popular gaming platform. If you will publish your game on this platform, then you can get lots of users. Here you can see Game Jolt platform is getting more than 6 million monthly visits. If you will publish your game on this platform, then you can get lots of users. You can click on add your game button. You can create account on this platform. You can sign up with Google, or you can type here your email address, username, password, and then you can click on sign up button. In next step, you can add your game on this platform. Guys, if you want to learn how to make this kind of game and how to monetize this game using Unity ads, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.